Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to allow comments from your followers on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update to the Instagram web version. If you've noticed changes in where settings are located, don't worry, Instagram has just moved a few things around, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your browser. You can use any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different features related to privacy and interactions. Next, inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Comments. Click on it to open your comment controls. Here's where the important part happens. You'll see options that allow you to control who can comment on your posts. To allow comments specifically from your followers, simply select the option labeled Your Followers.